This tutorial guides you through publishing your course to the marketplace using TeachSmart AI Academy. You'll learn how to configure pricing, enrollment options, and verify your course from a student's perspective to ensure a successful launch. Navigate to the Courses section to access your course management dashboard. Select Publish Course to begin the process of making your course available on the marketplace. Set the course price by entering 0.00 to offer it for free to potential learners. Enable unlimited enrollment by clicking the Unlimited Enrollment option to allow unrestricted student sign-ups. Turn on the Publishing toggle by clicking on to activate your course's marketplace listing. Save your publishing settings by clicking Save Changes to confirm your configuration. Log out of the current session by clicking Log Out to secure your account after publishing. Enter your email address in the username login field to sign back into your account securely. Enter your password in the password login field to sign back into your account securely. Sign in as a student by clicking Sign in as student to preview the course from a learner's perspective. Preview your published course by clicking Preview Course to verify its appearance and content. Enroll in the course by clicking Enroll Now to simulate the student registration process. Open the course content list by clicking Course Content 20 to review all available modules and lessons. Start the learning experience by clicking Start Learning to engage with the course material as a student. View the course objectives by clicking Objectives to understand the learning goals set for students. Access the key concepts by clicking Concepts to review the main topics covered in the course. Select the video titled YouTube's Role in Content Creation and Audience Building to explore specific content within the course. Open the Activities section to engage with interactive elements designed to reinforce learning. Access the assessment area to review quizzes or tests included in the course. Click Homework to view assignments that students are expected to complete outside of lessons. Explore case studies to examine real-world examples that support course concepts. Access additional materials by clicking Resources to provide learners with supplementary information. You have successfully published your course to the marketplace and verified its availability by previewing and enrolling as a student. Next, consider promoting your course to reach a wider audience or updating content based on learner feedback.